Welcome to Textual Healing. Let's get nerdy. Want to start creating professional AI-generated videos? Hailou AI makes it easy. In the next 12 minutes, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to start creating and profiting from my AI-powered videos. In today's video, we're going to cover everything from setting up your Hailou AI account to creating your very first video, and even some tips for monetizing your content. Ready to get started? Let's jump in. First, let's set up your account. Head to the Hailou AI website and click Sign Up, enter your details. And in just a few clicks, you'll have access to the powerful features Hailou has to offer. Once you're signed in, you'll be brought to the dashboard. All right, first up, let's start simple. A small dog runs through a field. Nothing fancy, just a basic description. And the result? Well, it's a dog, and it's running in a field. But it's kind of generic. The animation is kind of smooth, but the details are pretty basic. The dog could be any small dog in the field. It's just kind of there. So let's see if adding more details makes a difference. Default text. Now, instead of a vague description, I got specific. A small black dog with short hair runs through a green field of tall grass on a sunny day as the breeze blows. More details on the dog, the setting, even the weather. And look at that, the animation is way more dynamic. The grass actually moves with the wind, the lighting feels brighter, and the dog looks more refined. Clearly, details matter when using Hailou AI. While this generates, let's take a look at some of the other generations. These don't look too bad, but there is definitely something off. AI isn't perfect yet, but the advances they are making daily is astonishing. As you can see, some of these videos have the dogs moonwalking forward, floating, and wacky camera angles. That's why I suggest to generate at the very least 3 at a time, so you have a choice. That's a whole lot of dust. He is really gliding on the ground. Overall, they don't look horrible, but again, there are just small little details that threw the whole feel of the video off. I will say, it normally doesn't take this long for a video to generate. Of course, it would act crazy when I'm recording. Here we go. Let's see what it gives us this time. Okay, not too bad. Let's see what it gives us if we blast through the prompt with some adjectives, a little bit to add. Some more description for the AI to pull from when generating. I will say, in my experience at least, that if you don't know exactly what you want, it can be frustrating to come up with a random prompt, or maybe I have just been doing this for too long today. Also, while I have some time while I type this and these generate, be sure to like and follow Textual Healing for more videos. We're a small channel, but growing. A new video at least every week, if not more. Plus, we have some shorts posted as well. Go ahead and comment if there's anything specific you want to see a video on. I'll check out the comments and pick one if not all suggestions. Actually, I know you guys don't want to hear me ramble. Let's cut to the videos being generated. Okay, here we go. Let's see WT kind of quality we have here. As you can see, the difference in the prompts is pretty good. I will say Hailou AI has one of the, if not the best prompt adherence that I've seen. These are looking pretty good. And if you look close enough, I'm sure you can see some imperfections, but overall they are definitely workable. This one is pretty good. Okay, let's try something a little different. Next, let's take it up a notch. Instead of just using text, I uploaded a picture of my dog, Hunny. She's a medium-sized yellow dog and honestly the best dog ever. But here's something interesting. Hailou AI lets you use animals for image to video, but not human faces. So let's see if giving it a real image instead of just a description changes the quality. We'll put some fun descriptive words in the prompt. I hear my 5th grade English teacher yelling at me in the back of my mind now. And let's see what happens, and I will bring you guys back when the results are in. As you can see, the thumbnail, so to speak, for each video is the stock photo of Hunny. She's so precious at only 11 years old. Wow, I don't know what that mouth movement was supposed to be, but alright. As you can see in this one, it did a good job of keeping her face pretty spot on. She may have an extra pound or two than the generated dog, but that's okay too. Now let's push the limits. I tried the subject to video feature with an enhanced photo of myself. The goal? To see if Hailou could actually generate realistic human animations based on my image. Will it capture my features accurately, or will it transform me into something totally different? Let's find out. Let's just do a simple little prompt of playing some games. And while we wait on those videos to generate, let's take a better look at the Hunny vids. Seeing them side by side really shows how much prompt wording affects the output. The more descriptive you are, the better the results. But even then, randomness plays a role. Sometimes it nails the details. Other times, well, let's just say it has a wild imagination. As you can see, each video does start with the original image and then kind of does its own thing to get to the prompt. I'll bring you guys back to see what it thinks I look like when I'm getting my ass kicked on COD by a bunch of kids. And, oh boy, yeah, this is where things start getting weird. First off, some of these backgrounds are just wrong. One room looks like a distorted funhouse. And let's talk about this one. Why do I suddenly have elf ears? I don't remember asking for that. And the hand movements? Let's just say they need some serious improvement. Hailou AI does not do hands well. In my humble opinion, I don't think it really looks like me at all. It almost made me look Asian or maybe Samoan. Maybe the issue is the prompt? Because the issue is always the prompt. Now is a perfect time for a good old friend to come in and save the day, instead of using a basic prompt like, a girl plays video games on her computer. I asked ChatGPT for a super detailed version. Maybe adding extra information about lighting, movement, and camera angles could make a difference. I copied the new prompt, pasted it into Hailou AI, and queued up 5 more videos. I'm sure to specify which AI model I'm using because different models interpret different words. There are a lot of variables when it comes to AI generation, and it never hurts to be as descriptive and specific as you can. Like I've been harping on for most of the video, details matter greatly. As ChatGPT gives us our super detailed prompt, you'll notice fast differences in its output and mine. You can also notice it doesn't care too much for misspelled words, so we ask it to refine our search and then, boom, just a quick and simple copy and paste job, and let's see the results. All right, let's check out the results. And you know what? They're better. The lighting is more natural and movements feel a bit smoother. It's still got that cartoonish AI-generated feel, but adding more details definitely helped. So, if you're using Hailou AI, my advice, be as detailed as possible with your prompts. It really does make a difference. Yeah, these look a lot better, still not perfect, but it is better. No getting an absolute perfect image or video from the eyes, honestly a crapshoot. However, there are ways of upscaling and refining them to get them to just about as close to perfect as you can get. If you want me to do a video on that, comment down below. Just a quick recap, each batch of 5 videos costs 30 credits. And if you don't have unlimited, those credits can add up fast. So is it worth it? If you want quick, stylized AI videos and you experiment a lot, unlimited might be the way to go. But if you're looking for realistic animations, you might find yourself a little disappointed.